Hey guys, what's up? This is Jeff from landscapingmarketingteam.com, here to share a bit more information to you regarding the importance of ranking on the first page of Google and showing you how you are able to outrank your competitors to convert more customers to your company. For this particular video, I'm going to use a company called heavyland.net. It's a landscaping company based in San Diego. And we're going to show you how Google is ranking this particular website. Personal message though, Heavyland, if you are watching this, get in touch with us as we would be happy to help you guys rank to the top of the Google searches in the San Diego area. In this particular video, I will be sharing some tips and giving some advice as to how your business could be ranked all the way to the top 3 search results on the first page of Google. Well, first, let me show you how Heavyland is currently ranking on Google when searching for landscaping in San Diego. Let's move on to Google. So, here we have landscaping San Diego. We're gonna look for Heavyland. Well, they're definitely not in the map pack. They're also not in the top 3 of the Google research results. Juniper landscaping number 4, 5 Wikipedia, Home Advisor, etc., but no Heavyland whatsoever on page 1. Let's have a look on page 2 of Google to see if we're able to locate Heavyland there. Number 12, no. 15, Landscaping Network, Lawn Starter, nope, also not on page 2. Hopefully they're there on page 3 then. Number 22, Home Depot, Southern Living. Look, there they are. Ranking number 29 on page number 3 for the San Diego area. So we see that Heavyland is ranking on number 29 of the Google results in San Diego, which is a little bit too bad for them, of course. You can probably tell from your own experience, if you are searching for an answer or a service online, there's a small chance you would be calling someone for a service on page 3 of Google. But why is Heavyland actually on page 3, ranking number 29? What's the difference between this site and a website which is ranking on page 1 of the Google results? For example, let's compare Heavyland with someone or a company on Google page number 1. Let's go for Juniper Landscaping. So we're going to compare those two. First, we're going to look at the numbers of Heavyland. Heavyland has 18 backlinks, comparing to Juniper, which has 67 backlinks. But what exactly is a backlink? Well, a backlink can be described as a vote from another favorable website. So let's put it in perspective. The more votes your website actually has, the higher you will rank in Google. Makes sense, right? So second, let's have a look at the pages and the content of both websites. First, let's go to Heavyland. Heavyland has 343 pages, which is good. It's good. But if we're going to look at the content of Heavyland, we see a video, we see some icons, and we see a few decent pictures. But looking at the content, there's not much content at all, apart from a few reviews. Let's compare those numbers with Juniper. Juniper has 364 pages, which is 21 more than what Heavyland has. Also looking at the content, they have some pictures, but they also have a bit more content on their homepage and probably around all of their other pages as well. Which makes sense because Juniper is, however, ranked on page 1 instead of page 3. Which is Heavyland. So content in this particular case is actually key because Google is really fond of high content websites. Let me give you an example of a high content website. Let's go on Google, search for something. I don't know, Will Smith. Don't know why. But let's see. Look. On the first page, ranking number 1, Wikipedia. But why is Wikipedia ranking number 1 on Google? Loading. Look at all that content. The content that Wikipedia has is amazing. They have so much information about Will Smith, which is why they're on top on the Google searches. So keep in mind, content is key. Let's compare some other details. Heavy land. We're gonna go to this particular tool that I have, and we're gonna look at the domain, page authority, citation, and trust flow. Looking at the numbers, they're okay. They're not that high, could be better. But comparing those numbers to Juniper, which is higher ranked in Google, the numbers from Juniper are actually higher. I'm not going to bore you guys with what this exactly stands for, but these numbers all need to be as high as possible in order to rank properly on Google. So what can landscaping marketing team do for you in this case? Well, we are able to up these numbers to start moving you all the way to the top of the Google searches. By taking into account these pointers, which is increasing the number of votes, increasing quantity and quality of the content, and of course, last but not least, upping the number of the domain, page, trust, and citation numbers, we will be ranking you to the top of Google. Once the numbers of Heavy Land are up to par, it will outrank all of the other competitors and will steadily flow all the way to the first page of Google, ranking somewhere maybe in the region of 1, 2, maybe 3. So, hope this little video helps you to understand the importance of ranking on top of Google, as this will result, however, eventually in more customers, increasing your sales and boosting your revenue. If you are in need of more customers and boost your website all the way to the top of Google, we are happy to assist you here. If you want us to create a screencast for your website to see where you are on Google, we are also happy to provide that for you as well. Please get in touch with us through our contact page on landscapingmarketingteam.com, and yeah, let's partner up to help increase your sales as well. I wish you all the best, and perhaps we'll talk soon. Have a great day. See ya. Bye.